Tell us something about yourself and your interest in dogs.
Hi, I'm K. Mary Sunita. I had a lot of passion for dogs. Being an HR also, I quit my job because I love to be with my four-legged furry children. We have registered our kennel as Kirtu Kennel in Kennel Club of India.
I'm David Ravi Kumar. I do export granite and have a little bit of constructions. From my childhood, I was with dogs. Later on, when we got married, we thought of having one or two dogs, and now it has our kennel. This one is increased to around 50 dogs. We have few dogs here in Bangalore. We are based in Bangalore.
How has life been with dogs?
We are enjoying a lot with our dogs.
Do you breed dogs?
We breed occasionally.
What are the breeds of dogs that you have?
We have Siberian Husky, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Akita, Fox Terrier, Beagles, Bulldogs, Chow Chows.
When one thinks of buying a puppy, what breed of dog one should get?
Each one has their choice or a need to buy. And if you're going to buy a puppy, you should know, first of all, you should get prepared for yourself. When you're buying a puppy, it is like a newborn baby entering your house where you have a lot of responsibilities. Just like you take care of a baby day and night, and taking care of a baby, giving it bath and cleaning its poop and everything. Just like that, you have to take care of a puppy also.
And it's
You should
lifetime commitment for them.
Yeah, you should feel that it is part of your life and a family, and never ignore or get exhausted. If you're in an apartment, you should know like how big is your house and
Where you can exercise it. So you can go for mid-sized dogs like Beagle, Husky.
and if you're staying in bungalows, you can go for a German Shepherd, Rottweilers, and
Golden Retrievers, Labradors, Danes.
Where should one go to buy a purebred dog from?
See, definitely they have to go to a breeder because they can see the mother. Usually, fathers won't be. For example, me having 50 dogs, all my dogs are females. Father won't be. It's not with me, so we get it mated outside. So at least they can see the mother and the pedigree of the father.
At what age should a person buy a dog?
60 days.
Why is that?
See, one is vaccinations. Vaccinations would have completed, and by 60 days, we can give our KCA registered papers also if it's applied on the right time. KCA, Kennel Club of India registered papers.
Okay.
And puppies learn a lot from their mother. Most of the basic trainings is taught by mother, not by the trainer. And trainer will be starting after 4 months. So person who is buying a puppy, they'll get the attachment till for another 2 months, and then the trainer will come for basic trainings and all those things. So 2 months, one thing is all the vaccinations are completed. The other thing is feeding is done on the proper time.
puppies learn a lot of social behavior from their mothers, because usually everybody when they see the mother with the breeder, they would prefer the puppies to behave like the mother only. So if you're buying a puppy at 60 days, so the mother would have taught a lot of things, just like a mother teaches a child like how to to walk and all that. So here the puppy learns from the mother. It learns from the mother like where it has to poop and how it has to behave, and the running style or the walking style, and where it has to go, where it should not go. So most of the positive and negative things, whatever is happening, the puppy observes, just like our children observe the parents. The puppies also observe their mother, and they learn a lot of things. So it becomes a very, when you're going to buy the puppy, so you see the puppy acting just like the mother. So that will be a plus for the buyer, and it's also like we're very happy to give a puppy
Which
like
is
for the
ready.
happy customers.
Do you train the puppies before you give it to new homes?
No, we don't train.
Okay.
We don't train, but the puppies, sometimes we retain our puppies, for which we start our basic trainings when they are 90 days old. That is, use for stacking, leash training, all those things we start from 90 days.
What do you think is the importance of purebred dogs?
Dogs are bred for a purpose. Can be if someone needs a companion dog, if someone needs a companion, let them go for a companion dog. If someone wants guarding dog, let them go for Belgian Shepherds, Malinois, German Shepherds. If someone wants for protection also. See, for example, I have 2 daughters. I'm not worried. If they take my German Shepherd with them, nobody has guts to go near them. Even my daughters are born with the dogs. They are happy with the dogs. I tell the same thing. If someone wants protection, let them buy a good dog, get it trained well with a reputed trainer. That is a genuine weapon what they are giving for their daughters.
I think each and every family should own a dog. Like if it is a responsibility, if they're having small kids, like you can't tell. Like recently, we have a lot of the gang rape and all that. They have introduced pepper spray, and you have an app where it tells like you have to on the app and everything. That doesn't work out with everybody because when it's a gang rape, it's a 4 to 5 people. If one person comes, the ladies usually they panic. So you don't have so much of time to put your hand to your bag and hunt for a pepper spray and then run or scream. No one nowadays are coming for help. Everybody wants to enter into YouTube and make a movie and put it on YouTube.
What would you advise them? Where to go? What to look for before selecting a puppy?
Before selecting a puppy, first they should know what breed they want to buy. Next is the availability of the doctor nearby. And the pet shop, that is vet shop, sorry, where they get all emergency medicines and all. Next thing is, do they have time to take care of a puppy? And it's a lifetime commitment for them. It's not like, see, most of the people, they buy the dogs for their prestige issue and they leave the dogs when they're not able to take care. Again, the problem comes for a breeder. Most of the other social activist people, they tell breeders are breeding like mills and all. It's not the breeder who is leaving the dogs on the street. He's the person who is taking care of the dog right from the birth till they die. I have dogs which is 15 years old, but still we have kept it. Even though we have space restrictions, we have taken a kennel, small kennels with Ooty, where my friends are taking care. We have dogs. Due to space restrictions, we can't keep more dogs here.
So, what you mean to say is when people want to buy a good purebred dog, they should come to a breeder?
Definitely they have to come to a breeder.
Why? Why is it so important to come to a breeder and select a puppy than go to a pet shop?
If a breeder, he knows what he has bred. He can sell the puppy. But later on, when the person is not able to take care of a dog, he can very well come and give it to the breeder. But whereas the pet shop, they don't take it. And they don't know where the puppy is. See, if you have a family, if 3 of you are busy, one person will be liking a dog. If it's returned to a breeder can show where the dog is. Because pet shop person doesn't know where he has given the dog. And I have a list of my clients. Past from 20 years, I know where my puppies are. Except for 1 or 2 which has been given by some of my clients.
Even today, our clients are very happy. They call us, they celebrate birthdays or
and we are invited for the birthdays. We go there.
They're very much happy with the puppies, like what we have given till now. Because I've seen most of the in social media, they keep telling like breeders are bad and they have puppy mills and all that. Actually, to be frank, more than we totally get involved with the dog when they're giving birth. From taking care of puppies to till the mother, it becomes mother and giving birth and cleaning his poop. It's not that easy like what they show. Like you can do it anything you want. They show in a TV channel that you can start a dog kennel and you can have all the. It's not that easy. Our
it
job
has been
every day.
22 years of these kennels, but still we are learning.
We wake up at morning 4 o'clock until night 1, 2 o'clock. We are with our pets. We see what is their need. If they want fan, they have a different sound they give to us. If they want water, they have a different style of calling us. So as we are totally involved. Many of the times, some of our pets, when they are not feeling well, they want something, heard them calling ma. So it's only you can feel like human beings, babies calling ma, but we have our own pets calling us ma. So that shows how much we are involved with our pets. So going to a breeder, I think people who are telling like breeders are bad or running a puppy mill is really wrong. Only when you see like how much they get involved. See who is a good and a bad breeder. Do not put a seal that breeder means he's a
He's
puppy.
breeding dogs, he's
He's
breeding
breeding
dogs.
dogs.
No, we too have restrictions from,
How often do you breed dogs?
we breed once in a year, sir. See, even though I have 45-50 dogs, last year my breeding was not more than 1 liter, wherein I have only 2 puppies. One I have retained it myself, the other one my friend has taken. So it's not, it's become a passion for us. We want dogs, we have to retain. Due to space restrictions, we are not able to retain.
What is your daily routine like? How many times do you feed dogs? How do you exercise them?
See, adult we feed twice a day. For puppies we feed 4 times a day. See, for exercise, due to my place restrictions, I have a trainer who is with me from past 15-16 years, Mr. Srinivas Shetty. He comes here every evenings to take all the dogs outside, and weekly once we send it for swimming or extra exercises, whatever my trainer advises. Few dogs which he is taking for shows, he takes care. Rest of the dogs he gives them exercises. And I have one more trainer who is in Ooty, Moses Daniel. That he is taking care of all the exercises for other dogs.
And do you think all dogs need similar exercises and similar diet?
No,
Then
diet and exercises varies. For toy breeds like the small breeds like beagles, there is no need of much exercises. For German Shepherd, definitely we need lot of exercise. For Husky, again we need exercise.
which is the breed of dog that you like the most?
I
If
love
you-
all the dogs, sir. It's
If
not
you ask
see,
among the 5 children whom you like, I can't tell. In 2 eyes, which eye you like, I can't tell.
There are a lot of people who think who want to get into this field of becoming a breeder or a dog enthusiast. What would you advise them?
See, it's not everyone can become a breeder, but it needs some dedicated time and dedicated family members. Without family support, you can't even keep a dog in your house. Whereas I am being lucky, by God's grace, I have my wife who is always with me and my daughters. As my elder daughter is not here at home, she is in the hostel. Weekends she comes and supports, and my family, my wife, everyone are supporting with my dogs. And most of the time I have been traveling due to my business, wherein my wife take care of all my dogs. And when we go for dog shows, if I am in the shows, my wife take care. That way it's mutual understanding. We get up at 4 o'clock. Mornings I take care of dogs. Evenings she takes care. Morning I take care of feeding and all those things. Evening feeding she takes care.
When you have a litter, is it more work?
Obviously,
It's a lot of work because when a mother gives birth, she has only one child in her arms. But if you ask a mother who has, 4 babies at a time, say quadruplets or sextuplets, but here you will have 12 puppies. And each time you have to keep monitoring. It's not that easy to tell the mother will take care, because after giving birth, she's so tired. Sometimes she might sleep on the puppy and the puppy might go away. Each time you have to run to the place and keep putting the puppy in the right place and help the puppies, for the feeding and all that. So it's a round the clock job until the puppies are with us. It's a round the clock job.
What are the things that one should be aware of before they buy a dog or before they select a dog breed?
see, definitely they'll have to do a basic research. First, they should know what type of breed they want to keep. If they are in a flat or something, they need to go for a mid-sized dogs. They'll have to search for it. And doctor's help is most required. They need to go speak to a doctor, and the other thing is they'll have to select select a breeder from where he has to get the dog.
How do they select a breeder? From where they will get information regarding who is a good breeder and who is not?
See, we have, as I'm in Bangalore, we have 2 clubs in Bangalore. One is Silicon City, the other one is Bangalore Canine Club. They can go speak to the club people. The club people are always there to help the pet home people. And they can speak to Kennel Club of India, where they have the list of breeders.
Why is there such a huge price difference between a puppy from a pet store and a puppy from a breeder?
See, I know what I'm feeding. For example, if I'm feeding Royal Canin, it's not less than 8,500 rupees. If I'm going for feeding Chicopia or dye bag, it's not less than 7,000 rupees. See, it depends on the cost of what feeding cost is there. Doctors' medication charges are there. See, we take care. As you know now, we'll have to breed dogs only after they are 21 months. So till 21 months, breeder will be spending a lot of money, lot of time, everything on the dog. And breeder is prepared to retain all the puppies. For example, like we have retained all the puppies, whichever is not sold. It's there with me. So end of the day, costing is also required. How much I'm spending.
But do you think that a good bloodline dog does not fall sick as often as...
No, they will fall sick. You will not have these genetical problems.
I would like to thank Mr. Brijesh and his team for coming from Bhubaneswar to give us this opportunity to speak about our loving four-leg furry pets. And to know more about this canine, you can subscribe to Tail Waggers channel.